Good morning to one and all. I welcome you all for today's session. So today I am going to solve with one of the problems, that is calculate the dimensions of plug and ring gauges to control the production of 50 mm shaft and hole pair of H7D8 as per Indian standard specifications. The following assumptions may be made. 50 mm lies in diameter step 30 and 50 mm, and the upper deviation d for the shaft is given by minus 16 into d raised to 0.44, and the lower deviation for the hole is 0. Tolerance I is equal to 0.45 cube root of 0.001 d, and IT6 10i and above IT6 grade tolerance magnitude is multiplied by 10 at each fifth step. Okay, so first step in the problem we are going to solve with d is equal to d is equal to root of 30 into 50. Why 30 into 50? Because 50 mm diameter value lies in between 30 and 50. So root of 30 into 50, that is 38.73 mm. Value of tolerance I is equal to 0.45 cube root of d plus 0.001 d, capital D. Okay. So substitute the values. 0.45 cube root of 38.73 in plus of 0.001 into 38.73, that you will get 1.56 mu, or if you convert it into mm, that will be 0.00156 mm. So hole is of type H and grade 7. Okay, H7 it is given the problem. Okay, IT7, that is IT6 is equal to 10 raised to 0.2, that is equal to 10i into 10 raised to 0.2, that is equal to 10 into 0.00156 into 10 raised to 0.2. Okay, next that you will get 0.0247 mm. Fundamental deviation for hole H is 0 from table. Okay, so next step for shaft. For shaft D8 it is given in the problem. Fundamental tolerance is equal to IT8 is equal to IT7 into 10 raised to 0.2, that is equal to 0.0247 into 10 raised to 0.2, that is equal to 0.0391 mm. Okay, this is a this will be mm. So you are going to plot a sketch here as per these dimensions. Okay. So this upper deviation you are going to mention here, that is equal to 0.08 mm. Okay, and work done, work tolerance, that you are going to mention 0.0391 mm. You have got it. That is, this is shaft and this is hole. That you have got work tolerance is equal to 0.0247 mm, and basic size 50 mm. you have got basic size. That is from where to where it is basic size? From this line to up to this bottom. Okay, so fundamental deviation for shaft D is, it is given in the problem, 16 into D raised to 0.44, that is equal to 16 into 38.73 into 38.73 raised to 0.44. Okay, so how much will you get? Minus 79.95 mu, or if you convert it into mm, how much will you get? Minus 80 mu, that is 0.080 mm minus. Okay, upper deviation is equal to 0.08 mm, that is minus 0.08 mm. And work tolerance it is mentioned, and lower deviation is minus 0.08 minus of 0.0391, that is equal to, how much will you get? Minus of 0.1191 mm. This is the things. Okay, with this we stop for the today's session. Thank you.